Hello cats, today we will look into some of the basic programs such as addition, multiplication, subtraction. So let's start with the addition of two numbers. First we need to declare the number a equal to 10 comma b equal to 20. Now if you want to print these numbers, it's very simple, like system.out.println a plus b. Okay, now we will execute this. We got the output as 20. So let's subtract a minus b. Let's add this subtraction. Okay. Oh, sorry. A minus b multiplication a into b division a by b modular division a percentile b. Now let's execute this. Sorry, I thought I just get the execution. Yes, you can see the output like 10 plus 20 equal 30, 10 minus 20 minus 10, 10 into 20, it's obviously 200, 10 by 20, it's obviously it's giving like 0. A modular b, it was 10. Okay, now these are the static numbers. Y, a divisible by 2, it is always 0. Result of a by b is always 0. Okay, because a is greater than a is less than b. Okay, let's change this to b by clipboard. I think there is some problem with my system. Okay, b by a. Now let's look at the results. Yeah, as we can see, like 2 and here 10. Okay, now let's change here also. As we can see, output is 0. Modular division, what it does. So it's very simple. 20 modular divisible by 10. That means here we got the quotient, here we got the remainder. So 10 divisible by 20 divisible by 10, the output remainder will be the 0. So we got the 0. Okay, so this is the static what we had declared. We are just calculating based on that. So if user want to change the input, what is the process? So it's very simple. Let's declare this scanner input equal to new scanner system dot in. So it will take the input from the command prompt and pass the values to the particular things, like sets the value to the variable. So let's set the value to a input dot next int, because we are taking the value as input. Let's check it. So before checking the value, like whether we need to set or not, it's working or not, let's set one of the println statement and the input value. Let's execute this. See, here it's asking the input value. Here I declared as 10. Let me declare it as 15. Now I'm executing. As you can see, 10 plus 20 equals 35. Okay, then 15 minus 20 minus 5. Next, 15 into 20, 300. Here, B by A. B means 20, 20 by 15. So what is the output? 15 ones are 15. So reminder quotient is 1, and here the remainder is 5. So we got the output. Okay. So if adding or multiplying for plenty of numbers like so this is a simple add calculation programs in Java. Thank you guys. If you like this, please subscribe, like.